It's like 60 degrees this morning. Unbelievable. Look at this beautiful sunrise. Over here is a large cruise ship. Oh, we still have some foliage. Nice. Beautiful. All right, let's get to Precipice and start our journey.
We're here. The Precipice Trail. Yes. We're here. Yes.
Warning, this trail follows a nearly vertical route with exposed cliffs that requires climbing on iron rungs. This is the 5th time I've done this, so I know what it entails. Well, let's get going. Sun is up. First view of the day, and this is when it starts getting hard. Straight up. They have begun. Am I ready? We'll find out. Sweating like heck. Never thought I'd be sweating like this on November 1st. Should be probably 35 or 40 right now. 60. Crazy.
It actually made it into the low 70s this day, which is really warm for Acadia National Park on November 1st.
Oh, fog. Ugh. Now let's keep moving on. It'd be so much clearer if the fog wasn't here.
This trail is about as adventurous as I get. As I was doing it, I kept thinking about Evan, but also my two good friends that live in California,
Pretty cool.
Adam and Elise, who love to do very adventurous things.
One more rung to go. One tiny little rung. Practically at the top. The sun's trying to come through over there. I don't know. Oh, it looks like the clouds are going to clear. That would be awesome. It would be frustrating if this whole thing was in fog. All right, let's get to the top. We have made it to the summit, Champlain Mountain. That's what the precipice is on. There it is. Evan, we're on Champlain Mountain. Hey, all right, I've never done this before. I usually go up precipice and back down and do the mountains that way. Get back in the car and drive to the next one. I've never done this loop. The goal is to get to the Beehive. I'm guessing it's Champlain South. There's not many trails through here. So that's my hope. I'm taking the Champlain South Trail. We'll find out quickly. If it was clear, I could see the Beehive already. But what can you do? Look at this. This is gorgeous.
So this pond is called the Bowl, which is great because the bowl is located exactly between Champlain Mountain and the Beehive. So I knew exactly where I was at that point. And of course, there's a sign. Yes, almost to the Beehive.
We're almost at the summit. You can feel it. Summit of Beehive. Careful, you might get stung. You can see it. Yeah, I see it. There it is. A lot lower than Champlain. Nice. Good look. Let me put my poles down. So, that's where we started, right there. Whoop. Yeah. And then we went all the way across to here. All right. This was equally as hard. Look at the beautiful coastline. We are going down these rungs. So here we go. This is one of my favorite views in the park. Down there, Sand Beach. You can see the parking lot. It is usually completely full by now. And people are on the road too. Up here. Oh, I love Acadia.
This hike totals 7 miles. 5.5 is on trail, and then 1.5 is a road walk back to your car.
Yeah. About halfway down. We are getting close to the end of the runs. And then it's just a basic trail. The last couple tenths of a mile. I think it's 3/10. I think we're done. I think we're done the runs. That's good. Whee! All right, we're past the rungs. Here is the sign telling Beehive. trail is to the right.
Yeah. Nice.